Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a video on Aerodrome Finance and its token Aero. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. Thanks. Before I start today's video, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions, and to be used for entertainment purposes. So anyway, let's get right into it. We're going to go ahead and go over Aerodrome Finance real quick and the Aero token and its pricing and charts. So I'll go ahead and share my screen right here. And so this is their website, and you can they have liquidity and swapping. It's the central trading and liquidity marketplace on Base, and Base is connected to Coinbase. It's just a protocol that Coinbase developed for this. So an Aerodrome is now the central trading and liquidity marketplace on Base, which is pretty big. So, and it's a new coin. I think it came out like the end of last year, so it hasn't been around that long. So let's go right here. We'll go right on CoinGecko. I'm going to do a quick refresh on my screen and get an updated price here. So you can see here we are. It's $1.13. It's ranked 158 on the market cap. It's up over 18% on the day. That's fantastic. Because full disclosure, I do hold some. Just so you see, the all-time high is $2.31 back in April of this year, April 12th. So it's down 51% from there. So let's go, and the 7-day trading range is 88 cents to $1.14. So, but anyway, let's go right into the charts, and chart is starting to look really, really interesting to me. So here we are. I'm using the 8-hour candle wicks because there's, like I said, it just came out not long ago, and it hasn't been on the exchanges that long. It was probably on swaps on dexes and stuff first when it first came out. So you can see real quick, if I go to the daily wicks, there's just not that much information. You know, it came out on Coinbase, because that's what I'm looking at, in February 6th. Just going to go back to the 8 hours. So each candle wick is 8 hours. So, and to me, you can see here, the yellow's 200, 20, and 50 day. Purple's the 50 day. And I like to have my volume over here because lots of volume. Price tends to go back to where there was volume. So here we are right now. You can see the last 4 candles have been just up, up, and up. We've got above the 20-day. We're above the 200-day. We wicked above the 50-day, but we're right at just below it. It closed that last candle. But what we need to see is all of these start to turn up, which you can see the 20-day is. You can see the 50-day is kind of leveling off now. And of course, the 200-day takes a little more time to react because we need more data. So my gut, I just feel like we're at the end of this correction, and it's corrections. I mean, if for me, it's like wearing you out. So all the coins, but this one, Aero, I've been looking at the charts, and this seems to be turning around sooner than the other ones. And you can see right here, this spot right in here was a price of support, you know, right around 85 cents to 90 cents. That was that held up as support. You can see we hit it here and here and here before we broke above it. So back then it was resistance, but now we came back down. We tested it here, and then we tested it here again, but it didn't go below it. We broke up above it. So now the next level of our resistance will be where we're at right now. So if we can get a close above this 50-day moving average, the purple line, then I think we're free sailing until like $1.45. And then after that, we got to get through this area here. This was, price consolidation. And once it breaks above that, I think we'd be back up at our all-time high again and making a new all-time high. So I really like this chart. Who knows? You know, Bitcoin, as everybody knows today, it's been skyrocketing. It's up to like 66,000 from like 60,000. So, uh, and of course, altcoins tend to follow Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin takes off first, and then the altcoins are going to follow. But I'm looking at this, and like I said, I was buying I was buying this whole downturn right in here. So every level I was buying some. So the lowest I did pick up some at 88 cents. I got lucky there. So we'll see what happens. But this could be a fake out as well. So anyway, but long term, over the next year to 18 months, this coin is going to do huge gains. That's my opinion. I really think going back here that, 10x all day long. Could it be more than a 10x? I look at this coin, and this could be a $15-20 billion market cap coin. And you think about it, especially if the total market cap right now is 2.5 billion, say that goes to 10 billion, right? 10 trillion. If that goes to 10 trillion, I could see this easily being a $15-20 billion coin. So say if it was a $15 billion coin, that's a 30x. A 10x is 5. That would be a 30x. So get the calculator out real quick. We have a $1.13. We'll times that by 30. That would be a price of just below $34 a coin. So let's just call it 35. $35 is possible on Aerodrome Finance, the Aero token. I think it is. Let's see. So $35, I'd put it at like a $15-17 billion market cap. Let's see what's there now, where that would put it. You can see. So that right now, if it was that right now, it'd be like in the top 15. But now I really think it's going to be, you can see we're up to 91 cryptocurrencies worth $1 billion or more. And this is ranked 158. And this is going to, DeFi, all the institutional borrowing, lending, and it's going to skyrocket. This coin, in my opinion, is going to take off. So anyway, that's my prediction on Aero. I really think this is the start of a breakout to another new all-time high over the next probably maybe 6 weeks, if that. Middle of June, maybe end of June. But you can see current price to all-time high. That's 120% gain right there. Well, all-time high is 231. Look at that. So 115% gain. And I'm predicting that's going to happen in the next 6 weeks. And then all-time high, $35 all day long, and it'll be an $18 billion market cap. That's my prediction on Aerodrome Finance and the Aero token. So if you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks, and have a great day.